Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to record and add voiceover on Capcut PC. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So first of all, you need to open your Capcut application and then choose or create any project you want. And then if you want to record your voiceover, all you need to do is to go to the right side of your screen. And then in this list of options, you need to click on the first one, voiceover, and then click on that. After that, you will see this little menu. You can press and hold on this menu and then move it, for example, right here. So in this interface, first of all, you need to choose your input device. You need to click on this option. And if you have more than one microphone, you can choose for example, the second one microphone. So after that, you can change your volume, for example, like this. You can enable echo reduction. You can mute your project, and or you can disable all these options. So after that, if you want to start recording your voice, you need to click on this red button. And after 3 seconds, your voice starts to recording. So you need to tell something if you want. You can describe, for example, your video. So if you want to stop recording, you need to click on this red button. And after that, you need to close this little menu. After that, you can change the duration of this voice of this audio timeline. You can move it, for example, like in this position, or you can actually delete this if you want. So after that, you need to, if you want, you can click on this audio timeline, and then at the top right corner you can change some basic options. For example, you can change volume, fade in, fade out. You can enable reduce noise. You can go to voice changer and then add some filters if you want to. You can actually go to the speed option and then change the speed of your audio timeline. So, and that's all, and that's how to record and add a voiceover in Capcut PC. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.